Howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with day 31 of May I Scraplift You. Today we are scrap lifting this super pretty layout by Emily B. Creative. And when I checked, she was at 211 subscribers, so I know that she would love to have you to reach her 500 subscriber goal. And I see that she used all Vicky Booten, and I love it. But I'm going to use up my kit, so I'm combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I am going to mix and match a little bit here amongst my kits. I've used up a lot of it. But I am going to use these stamp sets. I just wanted to show you these are Vicky Booten stamp sets. I stamped out flowers again. And I'm going to use up some stickers from my sticker sheet since they have been the hardest for me to use. You can see some of them still full, some of them's almost empty, so I've done a pretty good job with those for the most part. I did pull a piece of paper from a different collection for my background paper. She used a solid sheet of paper, and I just couldn't find anything in my collections that was suitable. So, I have a bunch of different pieces that I have, everything's sticking together because I already have foam on some stuff. I cut out a bunch of pieces from my collection to form my title cluster like what she had here. And then I have all my flowers that I stamped out and fussy cut. I have some of these cute little printables that I cut out of the little girl with the chickens because I am scrapbooking a picture that my daughter Miranda took and posted on Facebook and put she be hanging with the chickens because there was me messing with my chickens, of course. And then I have another piece, and then I have a doily like she did on hers. So we're just going to work on putting this together. Essentially, it is going to be just a few clusters. A cluster here, here, here. So, pretty simple. And I tend to get a little carried away with my clusters, and they they become a whole page instead of a small cluster. Alright, so let's work on putting this together. Today is also Saturday, so there will not be a embellishment giveaway today for my DIY embellishment series. I already have this video that will be on, and I will also be having the layout share, kit wrap up, all of that stuff that will be on today. And so like I said, there's not going to be an embellishment video. The giveaway for all of May will be up in a little bit, so definitely come back to check that out. Alright, so let's work on gluing some stuff down. I'm just going to combine these together. In hers, she kind of just layered things up, so I thought I would do the same. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add my stickers now. I think I'm going to use these border ones. Even though it's not the exact shade of blue, I feel like I'm kind of mixing and matching everything this time around to make it work, and it's okay. Let's see, let's do this one on the bottom. on Emily's, she had what was like little arrow clusters here and here, and then she added her flowers. But I have these stickers, and I have 2 of the same pages, so I have 2 sets of them. So I think I'm going to just layer those up and get the same effect that she did, but using my stickers. Alright, so now we got all of our stickers stuck down, and now we're just ready to cluster up these flowers. Alright, so I have my flowers clustered up. Y'all know I like to work in odd numbers, so I made sure I had 5 in each little grouping. And then I'm just going to add my chicken girls here. And pretty much that will wind up being the layout. Alright, so that's going to be the layout. Look how cute. And these little clusters right here give me a chance to write in the date. So, I just want to say thank you guys so much for hanging out with me all month. And hopefully you found some new creators to follow and support. So much creativity out there, and we are all unique. So, there's definitely something for everyone. And, definitely go and check out the playlist and see what everyone else did with their kits for the month. There'll be a new kit coming in June. That's tomorrow. I haven't even decided what I'm doing yet. So, but I have a minute to figure it out, right? Definitely go and check out everyone else that's playing along with May I Scraplift You. Lots of people played along and they scrap lifted different people than I did, because my goal this month was to try to help out the ladies who were under 1,000 subscribers. So definitely go see what everyone else did. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspired you, and that you will come back and see what we're doing in June, because I have a few new things up my sleeve that is not going to be scrapbooking. So, until next time, bye y'all.